Cobi Frongillo. I'm a senior political science and economics student, and did research on carbon pricing and looking at carbon policy to combat climate change. In combating climate change, if we want to do a market-based solution to combating climate change, we're going to want to put a price on carbon. There are a few different ways we can do that, but in the end, it's about putting a price on carbon so that we change our behavior as consumers. And so we looked at some current prices around the world and how they fit in. And then we looked at current economic thought and mainstream economic thought in terms of a cost-benefit analysis that tries to determine the optimal price of carbon. And then we looked at, well, what if instead of trying to add up all the costs and benefits, we just set a standard and then try to calculate what the price would have to be to meet that standard. And so if we try to meet the standard of the Paris Agreement, we find that the price of carbon is much, much higher than the current economic optimal price of carbon, and much higher than the current prices of carbon around the world. And so basically the agreed upon price of carbon that we looked at, that this sort of optimal, equates to a 3.5 degrees Celsius increase in global temperatures, which is absurd. And so we're in favor of market-based solutions, but maybe we should listen to scientists to give us a standard, and then we can calculate the best way to meet that standard.